Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to Miss Fidana. And today we are going to explain about what is the role of MPSAS in public sector financial reporting in Malaysia. So before we start, I'm going to introduce our team members. I am Fatin Zafira, Nur Atika Shazwani, Nur Hayani Shahinda, and Nur Idina Nadia. So I'm going to start with what is MPSAS. MPSAS actually is a stance for Malaysian Public Sector Accounting Standard. MPSAS is a set of accounting rules that used in the Malaysian public sector. Also, it is issued by the Accounting Standards Board Malaysia, or we call it as ASBM. This emphasizes to help prepare clear and proper financial reports. Also, it used by government ministries, departments, and statutory bodies. So as Miss can see on the right side, I put their link website. So yeah. So next, I'm going to explain what is the purpose of MPSAS. I have four purposes that I'm going to explain and give the example. For the first one is to ensure consistency in financial reporting. For the example, all government departments use the same accounting method, so their financial report look the same and are easy to compare with others. The second one is to improve accountability in managing public funds. For example, if a department spends more money than planned, the report will show it clearly and the department must explain why they spend more money than planned. The third one is to enhance transparency. For example, the government must list items like buildings, equipment, or even vehicles in their financial reports so people can see what is owned by the government. And the last one is to provide reliable financial information for decision making. When the government sees that a program costs too much, they can decide whether to continue the program or stop it.
Okay, so hello, my name is Noartika Shazwani. I'm going to explain about difference between public sector accounting and private sector accounting. Right now, we have two key difference, which is objective and source of fund. So let's take a look at public accounting objective first, which is its aim to show how government resources are used in delivering public service and complying with law and regulation. So it's mean public sector show how funds are allocated and spent on areas such as education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social welfare. For example, a government ministry report how its annual budget is spent on development project and operating expenses, not how much profit it earned. Okay, next. Private sector accounting objective is aim to determine profit or loss and help owner and investor make economic decision. So it means private sector accounting focus on profit maximization, financial performance and growth, and also supporting economic and investment decision. For example, a manufacturing company report its sales revenue, operating cost, net profit, and dividend paid to shareholder. Okay, so second key difference, which is source of fund. Okay, public accounting obtained from taxation, grants, and public contributions. Since these funds come from the public, so there are strict rule and control over how money can be used. For example, a public hospital receive funding from government allocation and must report how every portion of the budget is spent. So next, source of fund for private sector accounting is generated from business operation such as sale revenue, investment, and loan. So manager have more flexibility in using fund as long as their decision help maximize profit and shareholder value. So it's okay, it's fine. For example, a retail company use revenue from sale to expand operation, purchase inventory and increase profit. So there's a difference between public accounting and private sector accounting in terms of objective and sort of one. Thank you.
My name is Nurhaini Shahinda binti Muhammad Fairuz. Now I'm going to explain how accrual accounting under MPSAS improve transparency and accountability in government financial reporting. Okay, accrual accounting under MPSAS improve transparency and accountability in government financial reporting by getting complete view of financial position. It records all assets, liabilities, revenue and expenses when they occur, not only when cash is received or paid, and also it more accurate and complete picture of the government financial position. Other than that, accrual accounting under MPSAS also help decision maker plan budget, manage risk and ensure long-term financial sustainability by reducing the risk of overspending or mismanagement. Next, it enhances performance measurement because accrual accounting link cost to output and outcomes, making it easier to assess whether public funds are used efficiently and effectively. So, this support better evaluation of government programs. After that, it also increase public trust that enables auditor, parliament and the public to evaluate government finance more effectively, which leads to strengthening public confidence and trust. Lastly, accrual accounting under MPSAS also improve better transparency of costs and obligation by recognizing long-term obligation including pension, borrowings and payable. Accrual accounting eliminates hidden liabilities and provide a clear understanding of the real financial burden of government operation.
My name is Nur Irdina Nadia. Today I will present an example of a public sector organization in Malaysia and explain how MPSAS is relevant to its financial reporting. Okay, the organization I choose is the Ministry of Health Malaysia, also known as MOH. MOH is a public sector organization responsible for managing and providing healthcare service to the public, including like hospital, clinics, and public health programs. As it uses government funding, MOH must ensure that public money is managed responsibly and reported accurately. This is where Malaysian Public Sector Accounting Standards or MPSAS play an important role. MPSAS provides a standardized framework for preparing financial statements in the public sector. By applying MPSAS, MOH can record and report its financial activities in a consistent and reliable manner. MPSAS is especially relevant to MOH because it helps in reporting major assets such as hospital, buildings, and medical equipment. It also guides the recognition of expenses, employee benefit, and government grants. So this is ensure that all financial information reflect that true financial position of the ministry. Furthermore, the use of MPSAS enhances transparency and accountability, allowing the government or parliament and the public to evaluate how healthcare funds are used.
In conclusion, emphasis is important in strengthening financial reporting in Malaysia public sector. It improves transparency and accountability by using accrual accounting, which show the government true financial position. With clear and more reliable financial information, the public can better understand how government funds are managed. Overall, emphasis help promote good governance and build public trust in the government.